Onshape's measure tool does exactly what it sounds like. It's your ruler for CAD. In this tech tip, we'll look at how and when to use it, along with a few ways to get even more value out of it. The measure tool lets you quickly inspect geometry without adding sketches, dimensions, or features. You can use it in part studios, assemblies, section views, and even drawings. In part studios and assemblies, measuring is instant. Simply select geometry like faces, edges, planes, make connectors or points, and the measurement appears automatically. The measure readout shows up in the bottom right corner, and clicking the measure icon expands the full dialog with additional options. Measure also works in section views, making it easy to inspect internal geometry without creating construction sketches. When you select a single entity, Onshape displays the most relevant information, such as length, diameter or radius, surface area, or position. Selecting a second entity adds distance relationships like center to center, minimum to minimum, or maximum to maximum. On-screen visual cues make these results easy to interpret. Delta X, shown in red, delta Y in green, and delta Z in blue. Bold dotted lines indicate whether the measurement represents a center, minimum, or maximum distance. In drawings, the measure tool lets you get the numbers you need without adding permanent dimensions. Open the measure dialog and select points, lines, arcs, or circles in a drawing view. You can change units from the dropdown, enable dual units if needed, and even use the measure with view-only access. Here's a power move for part studios. If you want a measurement to drive downstream features, click the variable icon next to the measurement to create a measured variable. That variable updates automatically if the reference geometry changes, keeping your design fully parametric. That's a quick overview of the measure tool. Fast, flexible, and more powerful than it looks.